Hello there. Today I am here with a new tutorial about how a YouTube channel can be created only by using a mobile phone. You doesn't need a laptop or a PC. You can only do it using a mobile phone. It is very easy to create a YouTube channel only using a mobile phone. For that you have to have a Gmail account. First, let's go to the YouTube app, and in the YouTube app, as you can see, I have signed out my previous or normal YouTube channel. Then today I am going to create a Gmail account and then YouTube channel. For that, first let's create a Gmail account and go to add account. The internet is checking information, or it is grabbing the information to sign a Gmail account. Google is grabbing the information. For that it takes some time. As you can see, there appear sign in, and you have to press the create account option, and then there you have to type the name as you wish. You can see I have typed Sam and Sam. After that, click next, and you have to fill up your date, birth date here, and your gender too. And click next. Here you have to create a strong Gmail ID. You can take help of the Google itself too. I have just hidden the part of password entering. You enter your password and then go forward in this case. Okay, and then next, and here terms and condition is this. Agree, press and I agree. It is checking the informations, and go, and here also agree. After that, you directly go to the YouTube app, and here you can see in my YouTube app, to create a new channel you have to go to the top right of the app, and then here you just touch to your channel, and then it says your channel name. You can put any name, but I just leave it as it is. As it is processing, it may take some time. Okay, here you can see that the YouTube channel has been created. Yes, here it says create a video. Now you can create a video using your account, because it is your YouTube channel has been created. You can record a video, you can go live, as well as you can pick out from the gallery as well. But today I don't have any video in the gallery, so it doesn't show. And back. In this way, our YouTube channel can easily be created. You have seen a YouTube channel created. Now it is on you that how you grow your channel, how you do your labor. That all depends on, and you now really can upload your videos. So at last, please go to YouTube and go to search in the app, and just type the name Trrik, which is my channel, and watch some video, and at last subscribe the channel as you like. And at last, subscribe the channel. Thank you guys for joining with me. I will post the update about the YouTube tips and tricks in the future. Signing off.